Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
3 reasons why XRP price could drop 25% to 30% in March. A combination of technical, fundamental and social sentiment indicators spell downside risks for XRP after its price rises over 8% week to date. Ripple's XRP price risks dropping by more than 25% in the coming weeks due to a multi-month bearish setup and fears surrounding excessive XRP supply. XRP descending triangle. XRP has been consolidating inside a descending triangle pattern since topping out at its second highest level to date, near $1.98. In April 2021. In doing so, the XRP/USD pair has left behind a sequence of lower highs on its upper trend line while finding a solid support level around 55 cents, as shown in the chart below. In the week ending March 13th, XRP's price again tested the triangle's upper trend line as resistance, raising alarms that the coin could undergo another pullback move to the pattern's support trend line near 55 cents, amounting to a drop between 25% and 30%. The downside outlook also takes cues from other bearish catalysts that have emerged around the triangle resistance. For instance, XRP formed a bearish hammer on March 12, a single candlestick pattern with a small body and a long upside wick, suggesting lower buying pressure near the coin's week-to-date top of around 85 cents. Additionally, the price turned lower after testing a confluence of resistances defined by its 20-week exponential moving average, or 20-week EMA, the green wave, and its 50-week EMA, the red wave, as shown in the attached image below. Excessive supply FUD. More downside cues for XRP come after Ripple Labs locked 800 million XRP in escrow as a part of its programmed schedule for withdrawals. The blockchain payment company moved around 100 million XRP worth nearly $40 million to exchange wallets on March 3. Meanwhile, it kept the other 700 million XRP, worth around $550 million, in an escrow account, raising anticipations that at least 200 million XRP would be flooded into the market to generate funds for Ripple's operational expenses, as well as to distribute XRP among Ripple's global clientele. Meanwhile, it kept the other 700 million XRP, worth around $550 million, in an escrow account, raising anticipations that at least 200 million XRP would enter the market to generate funds for Ripple's operational expenses, as well as to distribute XRP among Ripple's global clientele. The sell-off fears originated from the XRP price's earlier response to unexpected supply hikes. For instance, XRP/USD fell by more than 50% to near 60 cents 4 months after its net supply and circulation increased from 40.46 billion to over 47 billion in just 2 days. Nonetheless, Ripple's withdrawal of 800 million XRP has not yet been reflected in its net circulating supply. Profit-taking risks mount. Another catalyst that hints XRP's price could fall 25 to 30% to reach its descending triangle target is a sentiment indicator that tracks social media trends and their impact on market trends. XRP's price rose by over 15% week-to-date on March 12, notes sentiment, alongside a large spike in social media searches for the hashtag #XRPN network, suggesting that it could follow up with a potential sell-off ahead. Excerpts. Historically, our social trends indicate that profit-taking is justified whenever the crowd makes the #XRPN network a top topic. Is spring here? What weighted sentiments say about Bitcoin, BNB, XRP, Polkadot? As winter moves into spring, will the longer days and blooming flowers perhaps wield a positive influence on investor sentiment? Here's what the data had to say. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Early on 13th of March, Sentiment released data to show what investor moods were saying about price expectations. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin, BTC, BNB, and XRP were all positive, but still lower than 0.1. Even so, Sentiment theorized that this was a signal that traders had bullish ambitions for the assets. However, by press time, Bitcoin's weighted sentiment had fallen back into negative territory and clocked in at -0.614. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin previously took a hard fall under zero when the asset's price dropped from $44,000, showing that market uncertainty wasn't about to end anytime soon. For now, it seems that Bitcoin has many more resistance levels to shatter before jaded investors respond with euphoria. Tameless, and swift, and proud. While BNB has been tracking Bitcoin's price performance, weighted sentiment for the asset was above 1.0. However, a look into the past shows that BNB has a trend of short euphoric spikes followed by longer periods of negative weighted sentiment. As far as XRP is concerned, the asset saw a rally of over 15%, possibly thanks to the judge in the SEC v. Ripple Labs lawsuit denying the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice defense. In fact, weighted sentiment for XRP has been in the positive territory since about 7th of March and was 1.337 at press time. This, despite XRP's price again climbing to a level seen in late February. However, since XRP investors' euphoria has been followed by dramatic price crashes, investors will need to look at both on-chain activity and court updates. Meanwhile, as Sandeman noted, Polkadot saw a dip from positive to negative territory despite a rise in price, and the onboarding of some new parations. However, weighted sentiment for DOT has been largely negative since mid-December. Trumpet of a prophecy? Many eyes are on Terra, Luna, a rising star asset now among the top 10 cryptos. However, euphoric highs of close to 4 were followed by a fall in price, which led to a nearly vertical fall in sentiment. That said, investors don't seem to be ready to give up as weighted sentiment was 0.104 for the asset on 12th of March. To keep weighted sentiment above zero, Luna will have to prove that its towering rallies can be consistent. XRP price prediction: can symmetrical triangle breakout push XRP price to $1 mark? On March 11th, the Ripple XRP price finally escaped from the sluggish down rally governed by the descending trendline. The sudden price jump was backed by the recent news of the XRP versus SEC lawsuit in which the judge denied the SEC's attempt to prevent Ripple from pursuing its fair notice defense. This small win encouraged the investors to breach the symmetrical triangle pattern. Key points. The XRP price faces strong rejection from the 85 cents resistance. The XRP buyer plans to turn 100 DMA into a valid support. The intraday trading volume in the XRP is $2.07 billion, indicating a 57.6% loss. The Ripple XRP price recently broke above the symmetrical triangle pattern with an overnight growth of 8.5%. However, the breakout rally suddenly faced higher price rejection near 85 cents, bringing a sharp retest to the broken trendline. The high selling pressure hints at the altcoin succumbing back under the triangle pattern. However, if the retest succeeds, a bullish reversal could surpass the 85-cent mark. The post-retest rally could hit the 200-day MO or even the $1 mark, depending upon the bullish commitment. Contrary to the bullish thesis, if sellers pull the altcoin below the descending trendline, it would indicate the current breakout was a bear trap and will intensify the selling pressure. Technical indicator. The bullish breakout from the continuation pattern also breached the 20 and 100 DMA. As the altcoin retraced back to retest the breached resistance, the 100 DMA should bolster the buyers to continue the bullish rally. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator lines enter the positive zone following a bullish crossover. Resistance level, $0.853 and $1. Support levels, $0.745 and 68 cents. XRP price finds support near 78 cents following SEC lawsuit win and creator fund announcement. People have begun turning bullish on Ripple and XRP again in recent days. Although the asset follows the other major markets in bearish territory, the XRP price seems to stabilize near 78 cents. So while a push to $1 may not happen just yet, there may be a bullish spell in the days ahead. XRP price moves up again. It is due time the markets start moving higher again. Unfortunately, there is too much geopolitical and financial duress to expect significant developments on that front. The XRP price has shown a small but necessary 4.5% increase in the past week. It is not the most significant shift in history, but it confirms there is still a strong interest in what this currency offers. Thanks to this recent mini surge, one XRP is valued at over 78 cents again. It is a rather interesting price level that seems to provide some temporary support, if nothing else. Eventually, there may be a more significant push toward $1 again, but that will not necessarily materialize right now. Slow and steady wins the race, and any small gain needs to be solidified before the markets can trend higher. Ripple SEC lawsuit continues. Many people want to see the ongoing Ripple SEC lawsuit come to an end sooner rather than later. Unfortunately, it seems this debacle will drag on a bit longer, even though it is heading absolutely nowhere for the SEC. A recent ruling by Annalise Torres indicates Ripple can proceed with a core argument against the SEC. Moreover, the same judge deems how the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice affirmatives defense is denied. It is another court victory for Ripple and one that has the community and speculators rather excited. Although the news sparked an XRP price push to 84 cents, the momentum did not last too long, but that is primarily due to overarching market conditions. The $250 million creator fund in action. One of the more surprising developments in 2021 was the creation of a creator fund by Ripple. While other projects have similar initiatives, one wouldn't necessarily expect Ripple to do the same. However, the project deems it necessary to grow the crypto and blockchain ecosystem this way. The fund has been around since September 2021, and we now know the first group of grantees. Interestingly, all recipients are active in the world of non-fungible tokens. Funding NFT projects is a big step forward, and Ripple intends to work with Market's NFT marketplace partners integrating the XRP ledger. None of this has a big impact on the XRP price, but it shows there is ecosystem activity beyond the ongoing lawsuit, which is always beneficial.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.